National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northern Christian County, southwestern Macon County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kincaid and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Stonington around 7:55 p.m. Blue Mound around 8 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Willys. The National Weather